Music Planet crew on the top of the. This is another one. Kiddy Face again. Mambo, one style. Kiddy Face in a brand new style. Mambo, one style.
Yes, eneno Delight Multimedia YouTube channel ki TikTok Delight Podcast. Yubwa the Luo Gold music ichia bichel. No of course wakelu luwema papat. Luwa nywa kedgi legends atira danama duwachi Luo music gino berutie contribution mamegi Luo music beruti matera dada. Iwang chawa man atieki omera Kiddy Face.
Yes, Silva.
Afoyo.
Yeah.
Ini tini.
Anati mabe wo.
Jami tika warningo.
Kikija pala chwech. Watika war mabe.
That is good.
Complain mo to twal mo ramu duro ne wile chwech pare. Piani mapira teke yamu me kwa fotie. Yes.
Dwa dong foche ken.
Dwa foche ken.
Amete kenyo te bodjo matika nanwa kinge mabe I Delight Podcast yuba me the Luo Gold music.
Yes, for it twal luak dujumatika nanwa I Delight Media Podcast yub me gold Luo Gold music and kluonya ne Kiddy Face the Luo disciple atila we atibene la nyoro atila tin kwana atila tin biachara atila tin jema pol
Jaiva do.
Bon kan kuja mene ni woberutie
Kwa eno.
yeah.
Kiddy Face amete ki wacha kong maybe your music ma Kiddy Face charo music, but before that ibi weru wangeo nyi kikome pian jo mo kan rompe di magitika ne pitian ma chel gingeo nyi Kiddy Face yes. Kiddy Face akikwene
Kiddy Face kiluone kilama George Williams ana woda gago aki Wall Town Council ake kahama kiluone Kabala watike kahama borwa kuja Wall watike Kabala is different from Kabala.
Yes. And those two clubs are confusing.
Yes. Era kake choya bene no spelling e weng rom era dong luongo ne ana dong keta twisting kere duoni. So ana ake Kabala. Just within Wall Town Council.
Yes.
Char wapere watimere Town Council.
Man jomatika na maginge Silva giwachi manu kelo mine godo yub ni wati do kelo mine godo yub no, it is okay. Yes, ma enedi be madam again iwinu enu inyo Kiddy Face ngamo bere wanchawa man Kiddy Face we equipment music me chako music which year was that atirane angamu inspiring in maybe.
Well, ana chao choy we chon. Chao choy we 26. Yes, 26 na choy we nen charo pon 32 pages. Yes, and then recording we na ma chao the first song ma donyo kere studio oberu 27 ma adonyo kere studio pa the late Lumix ke Ntinda. Now, we makati kwere na machiel no kiluoni new generation.
Okay.
New generation oberu we mano tika choko chwiny wan lutino pajo wan machalo kaka mine anoni pi wadonyo tim mugu mite kwaro potara. Tim mugu charo tek gungi mano te kwaro ma wan pi wangeo kamo aki ye pi wangeo tian loka ngomo weko down tika timu gine anoni ruk mugu mape kelo deo mape nyuro deo pa wan machalo kaka Acholi. Yes, it was basically we matika advocating for preservation of our culture. Yes, and nature wa machala Acholi. Eto ingeo jemi ka furi chaga. We chane pedak tiat bene kokwa kama po maka wa peni. Ya chi weko dano pegi ingeo ni anoni we na mi achel. Ke inge kenyo da kakere we mo makiluone tukulera. Oberu dancehall mo matie bongo flavor inge kar anoni no waneno
Mr.
TV
Nice,
ge Mr. Nice ge Channel 5
Channel 5 yes
kar eno yes ki Kampala so akati ki we mo tukulera mpenzi tukulera kila siku tucheze na wewe tucheze na wewe tukulera mpenzi. Yeah, it was more of those of Mr. Nice was
bongo
inspired. Bongo Jua Kali,
yes.
Yeah, so they inspired us, but because we lebma, it was kind of lebma petit consumable so much
yes,
so it was not a very good target. Kiswahili joma kan be pigwa ngeo Kiswahili to twal nok padane lo Kiswahili to twal ya chuli kun my target market was gankan so ngeo ka yin for nyan no jeme no time. And then now when I me a deck market kere ana ikluno yoyot
anda ngeo ya ngatama yoyot ya wene ma chel.
Yes, daruma pol gen getamoni wena yoyot ana we me a chel. Ujo wa kerubiru miro gwake kuyuyut ikom kareni oyuyuru go polutela wa kero telo kuno ngeuni la kuri joni bene waiti ikinwu. What's this? Pastors malugopa. Lufunye dini mapelu Bible. Ajwa mino jiri yenga gopa no kulu wie pe tawne tiyu tichada. Oyuyut bielta oyuyut gwerata.
Wow.
Yeah, so that is my first hit song. Ma actually yuyuru kati 2008. Yes, which ne chara war in just 2 weeks. And then I was in Kampala and no at you Britannia Bukoto. Britannia Ntinda industrial area. Ntinda industrial area. No at you mogoyan tingote mogo at you no chane maroki video chelu we temogo and pangi no ni we na tika ko. Pange ni wera tia ko dano ke kan we tia ko tia mako pingero tia penyuire latini ene kwene we latini ene
tempe lu onyi bene wen
palu wanyia yes so en madonga na chera ka ngeo ni we mako ping mateke no dong tia fading da we dano cha yenya dano cha go na chim Karen beno ngeo connection to twal no yes so and madong dano dong cherka ngeo ni ana ya go weni it was now in 2009 we cherka fading and then I had to start cooking new songs where I check dong promoting myself my bear because now you chero laying base money madong uru to dano nyang there is an artist magluani Kiddy Face. In the video, I was very young. Now, Latira will be more baseball. Carry no 50 cent gay for man. Man, heavy jeans again. Yes, no kenyo muguma my pack
bling.
So NIT video and video mago it was so classic by then. Around 2008 the quality was very good because of Chiana Mana TUNK casual work Matimone. I was investing in it. And then now I came out with another song Makiluoni Malaika.
Yes.
Now Malaika became my groundbreaking hit.
Malaika was in 29. Yes,
29. After 28, I got another hit in 29. So I became consistent. Malaika creating a lot of demand. More especially, kara chana no way wachako cook from Kidgum, by the way. We cook a Kidgum, duga gulo. Chako cook a Kidgum.
How was it in the Chako Kidgum? Radio stations?
I think the radio stations, I think again get you so fast
to get the new music.
Yes, and they were so easy to connect with. I think those personalities, they were so easy to connect with compared to these other radio stations.
Matigulu at that time.
Matigulu, and most of the radio stations, Manotigulu ni. Polio no gen get targeting. Tereka don we madano tika demanding pierre. Ya don gen gingo get play get yenyone. But Kidgum we manyan ka obino
introducing into the public.
Introducing to public. And then don demand na chako beru tie kumeno. So for radio stations ma Kidgum matera da. I wouldn't want to mention names one by one, but we really
but no pegi duong.
No, actually no tie Paul, is it?
Paul Kitty
Paul FM, Radio Kitty. Those two radio
I think,
stations.
those two.
Yeah, they were.
I think Paul and Kitty.
Yeah.
If not mistaken.
Yeah, no. So, Johnny, good to you. Matera da mina I go promoting talents, my megwa. And then thing Kenyu, we kept on coming. I produced a collaboration with Pretty B. And then Malaika, I had to organize a show. Organizing a show in Karayon, Club Mokiluoni, Metro, Club Metro, Mado Lako Dugacholi Pub, King. Yes, organizing my show. It was my first time to see 1 million overnight.
Wow.
Around 2009, Key Gate were collecting 1.8 million. So everybody so mama did because ane ki gang teach kuja and at you do ka waka no maybe one because gross salary no to 200,000 and then ke ngola dai do around 180 around 170 gimoni kenyo.
Yes.
So I'm like so we got a charity go man. And I need to invest more time. So, Time, actually, the man Mamega, having done event, and only, the man Mamega Chao Chera Lamal, because presence Mamega Chao Nen or Dong,
but down
the region, gang, Barakan, Gana Yachuli Kan, Chirong down Chao go on a chim, Lera, go on a chim, Pade, go on a chim Dunka, everywhere now, the man Chao Bino Joma Chao Long way show. Andong
why papi dog bon muindi
jal a chako balancing ki bon muindi dong ki
talent dong
do chako dugu teko waki dog ti ku yela chako dugu la ngao idin so dong tie en tiana mon mara no over a month ni andong within 1 week dong no kitia go ana show ga bere de alimia rio mia jeri piara beach alimia rio piara beach depending on kabero neki ormiele. By then, no 250 gini kage chuli no yenda wema wele tera.
Yes.
So, come on, Kenyo. Aware teacher.
Pedok ke chili why you boss there.
Resigning.
They go a wall,
I don't go a wall. Mawa composer iko bagari. Do we resigning officially? Because I was actually a very good performer. Actually in 2009, I was nominated one of the best employees in the month of I think it was in the month of May. I was nominated in that year as one of the best employee because I was already a supervisor and my performance was top notch. Mara issuing was certificate best employee of the month. Yes, then neno be paticha kiketa anati ukwere commitment mamega otor chwin la lonya mamega. But of course machala tira we matiri manombe I didn't consider so much chalo resigning gena piara territoire but I just left the job and of course it was costing them somehow ne kapa resigning so no mer ni miarno go miarno go be kachula NSSF it didn't anyway yes. Come get then we resolved yes we resolved my bear my bear why chawa ni furi I'm still in touch with my bosses, my general manager.
Wow. That bond was there.
Yes, that bond was there because I did not leave ni abalo
exactly.
Yes, nyoni ke suspending and expelling yes, no titima bear. But now I think that is how do yubu kereketa anabi transiting exiting kerekdong transitioning to the music field. Practically, actively.
How been kit me chato music mamegi how did you sold any album out? You just did more special belu shows.
Well, karma one ka we poi kare around 2829 de kuno no long. distributors to twal no dong distribution new technology no do chako donyo.
Yes.
Technology chako donyo ma chako depriving jo magin gi distributing tapes ki compacts gini o ping ina jo ma wow CD te varando chako duongo. So the legends mano gen gi distributing we wachalo akanyango gi la ngoya gi from Kitgum no don't gen go chako losing or the business was no longer working for them. We are poor. I approached Ladira Kanyango over my Malaika album, but he told me ni Nofore Gamo. I think Noforo Gamo, one of the album pala Ugandan and Acholi, Agama. I think no, if not Jackson Rosina, yes, it was Jackson Rosina, Mokich, Noforo Gama. So maybe I should check some other time, but I kept on long. But of course, in the business is not as usual before. Chidong, I just continued to push my music through the burning centers, donc Luo Gold shows. Kiramu kai wore show I burning CD mamegi, I burning CD mamegi collections mamegi makai chero I wore charo ne. Kawa chero Sudan gini magwigi wa chero winkibul gini. At least you load your CDs madano wilo in that way. Mana ina kita one oberuka marketing kere ourselves, but album and pacharo. Yeah.
Okay. Itika neno Delight Multimedia YouTube channel, TikTok and DJ Silver, Delight Podcast, TikTok. Atieki Kiddy Face, tika nywaku kedwa is live atirane musically. Kita oberuka word kere, kita jami no oberuka word kere. Watin for tie music, kijami maduong matika timune. Now Kiddy Face akawa binu some of the challenges maybe may take a binu music ni beruka facing. May remember memorable me watching her. This was the biggest challenge. At least in Miramu sharing kedwa.
Me Acholi, I'm doing music in this industry. Ma mega pobero as the first choice. Mani unoni ana again ma miti it came as a result of ruenyo pa ngat ma miarbet kachulo na gangkwan la nyuro. Ma mega ma dong kar ma dong yo me kwano lawyer. Chidong, I had to go into the option of becoming a musician just to try my luck because I believed so much and we are poor and I made mention to my mom nika kwano amera bed la we tamoni unless kwana kai ramo bed la we but along the way matika don aberuka getting exposed to Ketadano Timo Kere, where of course the legends like the late Dida Moses Gay were producing a lot of hit songs in the year 2005. Yes, Boss McGay, you know, and by that time no Watima Cindy. She was adopting to Luremogo Dano Chalo the Igmi Band Gay Karcha Mago Wero. Obo mwezi wo muntu kwesani kikai jo Igmi Band. This guy is from Oima, the Geti Banyoro. Yes, those are people no, they had also studio. So we had friends they could go to Igmi Band studio and produce songs and they come back with their songs. We are learning ni gine karpe ne kwana. Piano lu warrior down ma oberu ketge penny go kwana, but it's because of passion. Mageti kere, they had their money, get here a studio, and they produce songs and come back with. So mega po period, I had a lot of ups and downs. Chero Kampala, Karma Chero Kampala, Chera no teach Britannia, ma no teach Britannia. Warwate kuno wan ke umian luketuli, makiluanye ni striker. Striker. Ana ye unong tieken luwe squad pa Evaya Julugi Evaya Julugi. Those are guys man don't get gidong wear chon and they are in Kampala. And then there was a guy Makiluanye Chronic E. Those are the friends I got to hold myself with them. And then Strike and Yamo Kwanyo Kardo Chwala studio bought the late Lumix in Tinda Chigowa Road. Kamadong achara rwata ke producer Palomix Acholi Makiluonye ni Junior Lee Linas Komberichane tie South Sudan Mabere is one of the great artists now in South Sudan.
Okay.
Yes, by then he used to produce songs for those of Silver X, WJG, great artists from South Sudan. Yeah, so enoni yani kita jeno chake kere. I entered into the studio 27 as I was producing way, and I became a musician. Challenges matie ena ye mi achele we mero chente. Yes, you cannot access somebody's studio without
money.
The studio fee. Enoni na machiel. So wek iribed la we o miribed ki chente. Mi ario it can challenge my personal story. My mom was blamed so much for having allowed me donye we latin do donye te pi nen kong dong win ket lem latin don karo ket latin te ti yang cha lok mu chalo yut ke lem mu ma do ma por wat ke mwa ane mo dong te pi ene dong tiga mi
en mego wajo ningo
so mego dong ke koko gino mo maramo timo ne pe ineno owing to the fact ni one weng no wabedo masinde kama mzee wa kuono rueny kiye ma kuono rueny it is out of my effort karmada chiero Kampala ena ya chako yile raising chiane mocha miyo kimega waini ogwa siblings mamega gudok kere dongo gang around 27 no dong dano tiga dugo ke kam
yes
itine anewe so I had to send me go home karma me go chiero la bon an gang lo ka chako ngo chako blaming me we ko la tiri team man dong la tien do donyi ni donyi we la tien do donyo ko ni te pi ngo ge me go dong ke ko tamoni la tien do donyi te pi da la tien dong la nyero itina na we la tien kai be kere so but of course with our African culture mentality kingo gini people never believed so much ni we is a talent ma ngate mo I can twero bedo kwede dok twero team mune kiet ma wan wa team mune chi those are some of the challenges ma wa bedo kwede along the way also promotion po bedo yot and kiet ay winyo wajo kere ni yen work no getting your music to be played first of all you need that connection omiero I befriending ngat ma maybe a radio presenter we in be befriending jemi wen work johar the man beru tie chamo kene we makolo rempege mako nono omien wa mo we ne best friend pe bengo uri ye pe ber machino itina na we olutono gen mo beru tie chi eno ne ene be ket me ko bat kadong migi pe no kere kadong unity ki talent ma tek romene ipuni money ma ti yogo ni doctor progressing more than you. Yeah, so basically Gemini merit here.
Wow. Itika neno Delight Multimedia YouTube channel ki and DJ Silva TikTok Delight Podcast lokati muku kanya dada iramu chiti subscribing we peke man chawa moki ken kawakeli Kiddy Face going back and some of the success miramu mentioning if you were not a musician wakati kano pedonyi we
kauno padonyi we uno paro wacho ni no pa be very successful piane an pa ngeo ngoma ba yubo
exactly
but konge keti lo mano yubo piara ni kita dong ngata chule gang kwan primarily ubero pere dong dong an pa be ke option me we